Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to share our Tinder profile. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Right here, this is the interface of Tinder. Let's simply try to share our Tinder profile. At the top left, here's your profile icon right here. That's my profile. Simply click on it and this page will open up. I'm simply going to scroll down and right here, you'll see something like web profile. Do note, in case you do not know how to claim your username, we have created a video regarding how to do that as well. Only after you have claimed your username, can you share your profile. Just below the username, you'll see something like share my profile. Click on this button right here. Then this page will open up. Well, do note that you have the option to simply copy the link, search for people or email, or you can also share using Outlook, Facebook, Gmail, whatever you wish. Right now, I'm simply going to copy the link. And guys, that's it. You can send this link to anyone you wish that has a Tinder profile. And guys, that's it. That's how we share your Tinder profile or share my URL. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.